Welcome to this SOLIDWORKS tutorial in which we will be designing this part. So let's begin. First, select file here, click on new, select part and then click OK. Select this front plane, click on sketch. Select the line here and at this origin make a vertical line, then this horizontal line and complete the sketch like this. Now press the escape button, select the smart dimension tool and define the length of this line as 10 millimeter. Now specify the length of this line as 25 millimeter and the length of this line as 10 millimeter. And now specify the length of this line as 12, and from this line to this line we need to specify the distance as 2, and then go to features, select extruded boss base and here specify 71 millimeter for extrusion, then check this box. Now select this face, click on sketch and select here corner rectangle and make a corner rectangle like this. Press the escape button. Now select the smart dimensioning tool, specify the length of this line as 61 and specify the length of this line as 43. Now go to features, here select extruded boss base and now change the direction from here and here specify 10 millimeter for extrusion and now select this fillet and select this horizontal line. Now rotate and select this horizontal line for fillet, specify 10 millimeter for fillet and then click OK. Now select this face, click on sketch, select here corner rectangle and make a corner rectangle like this. Now specify the dimensions, so select this line and specify the dimension as 38 millimeter. Now select this line and specify 10 millimeter and now go to features and select extruded boss base and here change the direction of extrusion and specify 61 millimeter for the length of extrusion. Change direction from here and now check this box and now select this face and click on sketch option. Select a circle, trace this yellow midpoint and make a circle here. Press the escape button and then make another circle here. Now specify the diameter of these circles, so specify 12 millimeter and specify the distance between these two circles as 25, and from this line to this midpoint of the circle specify the distance as 23 millimeter and now go to features, select extruded cut here and here specify through all and then check this box from here. And now in reference geometry select this plane. We need this plane because we want to mirror the same thing, this same body. So select this face and here specify 0 millimeter, specify 0 and then press enter and then check this box. So plane is created here, and now select this mirror. Here we need to specify the plane we have created, this one, and we have nothing to do with the features because we need to mirror the bodies. So in bodies to mirror, select this whole body, and here you can see in yellow color the whole body is mirrored. So check this box and now hide this plane, and now select this fillet tool, and here select this horizontal line, this one, and this line, and now we have to select the inner side of this same line, this one and this one. So here specify 10 millimeter or 15 millimeter for the fillet, and then check the box. So we are done with the fillet, and now we have to make two circles. So select this face and click on sketch and trace the center point from this yellow dot and this yellow dot. So make two circles here at the center point. Now press the escape button and select your smart dimension tool. Now let's specify the diameter of the bigger circle as 50 millimeter, and now specify the diameter of smaller circle as 25. Let's change this diameter to 40 millimeter, and this is 20 millimeter. So now they are looking better. Now go to features and select your extruded boss base, and here select blind, and then specify the length of extrusion as 25. Press enter and check this box, and now select this inner face of the circle and select this convert entities. We want to make a circle here. Go to features, select extruded boss, and here specify through all, and then check the box. So the hole has been created in this body, and now you can specify the background and appearance. You can specify any appearance you like. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.